So today I'm so excited because I am going to do a unboxing, and I have what I'm gonna unbox right here in this box. And I got a Stanley tumbler, and this is my second Stanley tumbler, and this is a collab with Tyla. And if you all don't know Tyla, she's a singer, and I'm so excited to unbox this. Like I said, it's my second tumbler, and I cannot wait to see it. I've seen pictures, so just to have it in person, like, you know, just unbox it and just to look at it, I'm so excited to use it as well. So y'all want to see me unbox this tumbler, then just keep on watching. So let's unbox this together. So excited to see it. Like I said, I love tumblers. I love to put my drinks in them. So this will definitely be so good to use my cold drinks. I think it's called a tumbler quencher. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Look at this box. It's so nice. I love the details. I have Stanley and I have Tyla. So nice. I love how they have her name and the font that they use for her name on here. And also there's like little prints right here, like paw prints, because she called her fans like tigers. So that's so cute. On the back of here, I love the detail right here and the stripe, tiger stripe, and also of course her name right here, Tyla, and it's like in gold too, so that's really cute. Okay, so let's unbox this. Oh, there's another paw print right here on the top. Yep. Okay, I love it's like a black and gold theme, it seems like. Yep. A gold and like orange thing. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. And this part. Up. Ooh, okay, that's a nice bag they get in. Okay, so here's his bag. And this bag cute too. Wow. Isn't that cute bag?
Beautiful.
Yes, I love
Beautiful.
Love the like I said, the logo, and I love like the tie I have right here. You can take it with you anywhere. That's cute. So open it up. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
Beautiful.
Wow.
I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Yes, I love it. It's so nice.
It is.
And I love how like the attention to detail they put in here, because Tyla, she loves like of course her fans, she calls them tigers, so that's why they have all the stripes right here. And like on here, let me see if I can look at the like orange and brown. It's really pretty. The handle, like a nice brown color, is very, very nice and sturdy, and you definitely keep your drinks cold. I love the sparkles. It's like sparkling too, isn't it? Yeah, I like sparkle all around. I love sparkles. Of course, my name, Zelma Sparkle 92. But it's really pretty.
It is beautiful.
Close. Yep. Thank you. And there's the scrawl and lid right here.
I like the way the straw is helped in.
Yeah,
Won't
that's
fall
nice.
out.
Yeah, it's really nice. That's cool too. And I like I said, the design and stuff on here. It's really cute. Yep, and like I said, the scroll won't fall out. It's nice and secure. And there's a close-up of the lid and the scroll. Yes, and inside, look how fast. Oh, okay. I forgot. They have the instructions here. This is the quencher, the flow state quencher H2O tumbler. And they have the instructions here. So I definitely read through that. Look how deep that tumbler is. You put a lot of drinks in here. Really nice and deep too.
Deep, very deep.
Can't wait to use this. And Tyla, she did a great job designing it. It definitely represents her, like especially like, you know, her personality, and her as a singer. And she, like I said, she loves her fans, so it's cool how she, like I said, used the scraps and stuff from tigers and everything like that to design her cup. And I love the brown, gold, and orange theme and the sparkles. So I definitely gonna be using this, and hopefully I get some accessories to put on it too, because I haven't got any accessories yet. So hopefully I get some like for Christmas, or I buy some. So I definitely gonna use this. So this is like an early Christmas present to myself. So I definitely want to get it. And y'all, it's sold out, so you can't get it anymore. But you definitely could check on maybe eBay, Mercari, Poshmark. Somebody might be selling it. But unless you just keep checking the website, I don't know when they'll come back or not. But definitely check those other websites and see if you can find it there, if somebody's selling it. But yeah, it's sold out. But I'm glad I got one before they sold out, and I cannot wait to use it. And of course, I'm so happy to have this. Alright. So pretty. Okay. Alright, so I love this tumbler. Cannot wait to use it. And like that, now I have it to my collection with my Olivia Rodrigo cup. And if you haven't looked at that video, definitely check it out when I unbox that, my first Stanley cup, Olivia Rodrigo tumbler. Definitely go check out that video, and I hope you all enjoyed that video as well. So I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox this Tyla Stanley cup, and I had so much fun. I definitely enjoyed it, and cannot wait to use it. Did you was you able to get the Tyla Stanley tumbler? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you got any other tumblers, or you know, from the collections or anything like that, or if you just got one that's not in the collection. Let me know too. Love to know. Alright, so if you all enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification bell so you all will be notified whenever I upload another video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye. Alright, love y'all.